Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Mohammad AHSAN and today we are going to explore a very simple and cheap, I would say very affordable perfume, I would not say cheap, which is by Montale Paris. This one is Honey Aoud. So this is the bottle. You can see it is very shiny because it is metallic bottle, and there is, you can see this emblem, that is kind of badge that is hanging over there. So the first time when I actually tried to open this, I was very confused. I tried to press this like that, but it was not happening. So you have to pull this like this. It is just like a clip women use for clipping their hair, kind of clippy. So this is the perfume. I really enjoyed. That was my first perfume which I actually bought. So now I am going to spray it. I'm going to tell you and recommend who should use this perfume. So I'm going to spray it. Okay, so the first thing is, it is very sweet. It is honey based perfume. That is why it is called Honey Aoud. Oh, this is great. So honey is there. Oud is just the name. I would not say that oud is there, but there is a touch of the synthetic oud that is also there, which is in a very little quantity. So if you don't like oud, I would say that if I would rank, then the cinnamon, sweet cinnamon, honey, and with a little bit of oud, that is the major composition for this perfume. This is white oud, blended very well. So this is the honey oud. There are many other perfume notes that has been listed. I would list them over here, but if you want me to describe this, it is a bit of synthetic, a little bit, but it doesn't feel like that. So honey oud for me is 40% honey sweet, or maybe 50% honey, and then 30% I would say cinnamon, which is very prominent over here, and then I have some oud and some woods, maybe something else. So this is Honey Aoud. I would recommend it for women. I really enjoy it on my wife, and I would say it is for winters. It is not going to go well with summers. It is a bit of heavy, dense kind of smell, and sometimes I usually not apply it on myself because for me it sometimes raises my blood pressure. I'm not sure why is that, but I think that perfumes have effect on your body, on your senses. Sometimes they feel dense and heavier on your heads and your overall body. So for me, I definitely think that it raises my blood pressure, so I normally don't use it or spray it on myself. So my wife uses it sometimes, and that is my review about this. It is for winters, for women. I would really recommend this one. This is a very nice, affordable perfume, and if you like these kind of sweet or honey kind of sweet perfumes with some cinnamon rolls or cinnamon bread, this is going to be a very good perfume for you. So I hope you have enjoyed this video review of this Honey Aoud Montale by Montale Paris. This is, I think, one of the most affordable perfumes. It has very good ratings on Fragnetica too, 4.2. So this is a 100 ml bottle, and I think I got it for Pakistani rupees 8,000. I think it's maybe $40–50 maximum. I'm not sure about the price in dollars, but I would put the price over here. So that is my review about Montal. I hope you have enjoyed this review. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. I try to simplify defining perfumes for you. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.